Wow. Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic price prediction. Now, in 3 years, in 2026, there's a possibility Terra Classic, if they survive this year, 2023, yes, according to experts, if Terra Classic survives this year, 2023, that means trading at a very high market cap and high price. I mean, if the market cap fails to go below $500 million before the end of this year, then it means by 2023, there's a possibility for Terra Classic to reach 1 cent or maximum trade at 0.00. It will be trading with 2 zeros, but at most, Terra Classic is likely to hit 1 cent, okay, by 2026. So that should be 3 years, 5 months before the end of 2026. Now, I still hope this comes to pass. I still hope this prediction are accurate. Although, remember, in the crypto industry, there is no prediction that is 100%. Okay, anything can happen in crypto industry. The same goes for forex trading. So, what I just believe is, if in 2026, Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrency, hit over 300 to 500% by 2026, starting from now, I believe that Terra Classic, there's a possibility for this coin to hit 1,000 to 5,000%. Okay? Yes, that's my own prediction. It's based on BTC. If Bitcoin by 2026, in the next 3 years and 5 months, if BTC hits, at least if Bitcoin hits 500%, 300 to 500%, that's a possibility for Terra Classic to hit 1,000 to 5,000% before the end of 2026. So let's hope to see how it goes. Let's hope that Terra Classic by the end of 2026 will be able to put smiles on our faces, be able to double, triple, make a lot of money for its community and its holders. 2026 is 3 years and 5 months. That's before the end of 2026. That means even 2026 itself counts. But remember, in the next 1 year, if Terra Classic is going to reach 1 cent, definitely the price will keep on rising every day by day. That means even before the end of 2026, a lot of Terra Classic holders will be making profit already if everything goes well for Terra Classic LLC. Well, let's keep supporting Terra Classic, and I believe that crypto industry by 2026, the market cap of crypto industry might be hitting over 500 trillion coins. Okay, the market cap of crypto industry might be hitting over 5 trillion. Sorry, I said 500 trillion. $5 trillion worth of cryptocurrency. $5 trillion. Last time we actually hit over almost 2.2. So I believe more people will be investing on cryptocurrency if crypto industry keep on rising every day by day. Please remember to subscribe, turn on notification. Once again, thank you for stopping by.